beautiful day on the street. Oh, hey, I'm Sam. Welcome to Sesame Street. I was just headed over to Hooper's store to visit my friends Chris and Alan. Let's see what they have on the menu today. A birdseed milkshake. I know who would like that.
Oh, hello everybody.
Hey, it's Big Bird.
Hi Sam. Oh, I'm going to Hooper's to get a birdseed milkshake.
Let's go together. Oh, did you just hear someone say, oh?
I don't see anyone. Hey, do you?
Where, in the window? A bird?
A bird? I'm a bird. I love birds. Where?
Oh, you're still here.
I just heard it again.
Me too.
Where, this window? Hello, come on out. Hi, I'm Sam.
I'm Big Bird. What's your name?
Carmen?
Hey, Carmen, are you feeling a little shy?
Carmen! My name is Carmen.
Hey, Carmen, are you feeling a little shy?
Yes, I am. I just moved here with my family from Costa Rica.
Well, no worries. We're all friends here, right, everyone?
Yeah, everyone's a friend on Sesame Street.
Oh, gracias, amigo. It's just that everything is so new and different. I don't know anybody yet.
Then let us be the first to welcome you to your new street, Sesame Street. Our street is Sesame Street. It's one of a kind. 'Cause where else can you find a sparkling pink fairy named Cadabby?
That's me. Hi, everybody.
Hey, Abby, this is Carmen. She just moved here from Costa Rica.
We're telling her about Sesame Street.
That's great. Our street is Sesame Street. You don't have to fear.
The monsters we have here. Here's one very sweet.
You really want to meet.
Hey, Elmo, meet Carmen. She just moved in.
Welcome, Carmen. Our street is Sesame Street. Where manners can sing. And kindness is our big.
If you need a favor,
Then just ask a neighbor.
When you talk, swap or sweet. Have the
Fingers
or a beat. We're all welcome, and we're all unique. Our street is Sesame Street. Our street is Sesame Street.
All right, everyone, let's clap out the Sesame beat. Clap your hands like this. Clap, 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 clap. Now you. One more. All right, now let's try the beat with our feet. Our street is Sesame Street. Stop, 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 stop.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. If you talk, squawk or squeak, have your wings singing or a beat. We're all welcome, and we're all unique. We're all welcome, and we're all unique. 'Cause our street is this wonderful place called Sesame Street. Wow! What a wonderful welcome! I didn't know I'd have so many neighbors. This is nothing. Wait till Carmen meets all of our friends.
and my best friend Snuffy.
And Oscar the Grouch.
Well, he may not say hello. He is a grouch.
No hay problema. That's okay. I still say hello to him. Actually, since I'm from Costa Rica, I'll say hola. Oscar won't say hola either. Oh, but Elmo will. Hola.
Oh, we say hola all the time. Hola.
Oh, yeah? I bet you can say it my way. Ooh, what way is that? As you heard, I'm a bird from Costa Rica. And this chica likes to say hello the Spanish way like this. Hola, flap, flap, flap. Hola, flap, flap, flap. Hola, flap, flap, flap. Now you flap your wings. Hola, flap, flap, flap. Hola, flap, flap, flap. Hola,
There's nothing like a good bird flap.
I'm so happy I could just tweet. Oh, I want to fill the air with music. Tweet, 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 tweet.
I'll tweet too. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet.
Everybody loves to tweet.
Yup, it's just one of the sounds on our street that makes music. Listen.
I hear a bee buzzing. Do you? You better believe it.
Good one, Abby.
See what I did there?
Uh-huh.
What's that?
Sounds like a green frog who just loves living in his swamp.
Oh, yeah, and he's singing about it.
What else can you hear?
That's a chirping bird. But what's she saying? I don't speak American bird song yet.
Oh, I do. She wants to tweet, 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 and fill the air with music. Just like you, Carmen.
Yup, she's part of the music that's all around us. Listen, do you hear it? There's music all around.
There's music everywhere. Every little sound. Just listen and you'll hear.
Listen.
Listen. To the rhythm of your footsteps walking down the street. With every kind of brand new beat. This is how the beat was passing out now. That's music, playing for free. Every little sound in harmony. Music all around us, playing so true and it's playing for you. La 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 la, la 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 la. Listen, listen, listen. To the rhythm of the dance song we're having you say. Hummingbird, honey, on the candy day. Time to sing it in the summer wind. That's music, playing for free. Every little sound in harmony. Music all around us, playing so true and it's playing for you. La la la, la 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 la, la la la. That's music, música. Oh wow, more music all around us. Yes, that's my alarm clock. It's time for something very important that happens every day on Sesame Street. Is it time for the birdseed milkshake?
You like birdseed milkshakes too?
Claro que sí, with cashews and hot sauce. Sounds yummy, I think, for birds. But that's not what it's time for. Oh, Elmo knows. Can you guess? It's time for the letter of the day. It's time for the letter of the day. That's right. It's time for the letter of the day. I say the letter of the day is on its way. Hey, 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 hey. It's time to sing. It's time to tweet. It's time to get out on your feet. What about you? Let it be. The letter of the day is here. Hey, hey, hey. It's here. Hey, hey, hey. It's here. It's the letter S.
S for Sesame Street.
Letter S? Hello. Where are you? Where?
Have you seen the letter of the day? Wait, you just saw it.
Where are you, S?
Letter S, where are you?
Wait, you just saw it again? Point to where? Wait, it's over here?
I don't see it.
Wait, it's over here now?
Wait, let's all call the letter S together. Ready?
Thank you, letter S. Just think, Carmen, maybe someday you'll get to meet the whole alphabet.
I can't wait.
So how are you feeling? Are you still feeling a little shy about moving to your new street?
Not one bit. Everyone has been so welcoming and kind. Elmo always tries to be kind. That's what's so great about Sesame Street.
We always try to be kind.
We sure do. To people?
The pajaritos and birds. Oh yes, and fairies. Don't forget little red monsters.
Yup. Here on Sesame Street, we always try a little kindness. There's a word I know and it starts with K.
That word is kindness when I say. Kindness for kindness, a simple word or two.
But it's amazing what a word can do, can do.
Amazing what a word can do. When you help someone in need, that's kindness. A little seed, that's kindness. That's kindness. That's kindness too. When you try a little kindness, 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 to help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness. Kindness, kindness, when you try a little kindness. That's kindness. When you listen and stay calm. That's kindness. For your mom. That's kindness.
Shut puppies here.
That's kindness. The way you feel. That's kindness too. And I know, when you try a little kindness, 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 and help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness. Kindness, kindness, when you try a little kindness. That's kindness.
Everyone tries to be kind on Sesame Street.
Muchas gracias, amigos. Thank you all for being so kind to me. I'm so happy to have made so many new friends. We're all friends here.
Yup, everyone's a friend on Sesame Street. Tomorrow, I'll introduce you to even more friends and neighbors.
Muy bien, I can't wait.
Bye-bye, Carmen. I'll tweet you soon.
Claro, and we can have a birdseed milkshake together.
With cashews and hot sauce.
Bye, Big Bird.
I'll see you soon, Carmen.
See ya, Abby.
Bye for now. See you later. Elmo loves you. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, Elmo.
Love you, love. Adios, amigos.
I'll see you around the street, neighbor. Oh, bye, letter S. Well, I've got to go too, but thank you so much for helping to welcome Carmen to her new street and for sharing a little kindness. You know, that's how we can help the world, by being kind to each other. Well, I'll see you around the street. Bye.
Great show, Big Bird.